In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. If you're seeing a selection is locked message and you can't type or edit, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will guide you through a reliable fix using the Microsoft Office installation files on your PC. First, we need to get to the Word application's file location. On your computer, go to the search bar, type Word, then in the results, right-click the Word app and choose Open File Location. This will open a folder that contains a shortcut to Word. In that window, right-click the Word shortcut again and select Open File Location one more time. Doing this twice takes you from the shortcut to the actual installation directory for Microsoft Office. At the top of the File Explorer window, you'll see the folder path. Click into the Microsoft Office folder you're in, and then open the folder named Office 16. Depending on your Office version, the exact name you see may look slightly different, but in this tutorial, we're heading into Office 16 as shown. Inside this folder, look for a file named OSPP-rearm or OSP-prearm.exe. It should show as an application type. If File Explorer is set to hide file extensions, you might just see OSPP-rearm with the type listed as application, and that's the one you want. Now, we're going to run that file with elevated permissions. Right-click OSPP-rearm and choose Run as Administrator. If you're prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow it to run. Let it complete. It may open a brief command window and then close. You'll repeat this process a total of 3 times. Right-click, Run as Administrator, confirm the prompt, and let it finish. Running it 3 times helps refresh the Office licensing state, which typically clears the selection lock in Word. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Make sure you're using an account on your PC that has administrator rights, and close any OpenOffice apps before you start for the smoothest results. If you don't immediately see OSPP-rearm, sort the folder by type or name to make it easier to find, and double-check you're in the Office 16 folder. Once you've run OSPP-rearm 3 times, your selection lock issue should be resolved, and you should be able to type and edit normally in Word again. That's it. Simple and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future quick fixes and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.